What's the meaning of anaconda? Anaconda. 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 Anaconda.
Anaconda is a term that can refer to either a type of snake or a specific software package. The anaconda snake is a large and powerful constrictor found in the Americas. The software package named Anaconda is an open-source distribution of Python and R programming languages used for scientific computing, data science, machine learning, and AI development. It includes several hundred popular data science packages and libraries, making it a preferred choice for many data scientists. Ultimately, Anaconda refers to both a fascinating and deadly creature and a powerful tool for scientific computing.